And Drew Greenblatt, president of Marlin Steel Wire Products, a Baltimore manufacturing company that exports to 34 countries around the world. Greenblatt, you are in the export business, so how you make the link for us? How specifically do the economic troubles in Europe affect your company?
It's not good. When the Europeans are slowing down, that means they're buying less. And that's not good for us in terms of growing our business and hiring more people. However, South America, Canada, Mexico, Asia is still plugging away. The American economy is still plugging away. So Europe going down and muddling is not good for anybody, and it's troubling, and we need them to get healthy.
Drew Greenblatt, just fill that in a little bit more. What do you hear from European clients? What do they tell you? And therefore, how does it translate, well, specifically to jobs?
There's uncertainty. They are very scared. They're concerned about the future. And when you're uncertain, you hesitate. And hesitation's bad for business, because what that means is you're not going to hire the next person, you're not going to buy more equipment, you're not going to be bold to grow your company. And that means that there's going to be less orders sent to America. That means there's going to be less jobs for us to create to fulfill those orders that are not coming from Europe. We need Europe to be vibrant and growing so that we can have a good client, a good prospect to sell to.
Now a bit more about how this affects you, China specifically, with a business like yours, and what you're hearing from other companies.
Well, we're bullish about American manufacturing. We're bullish about the prospects of America. Our country has a very good situation in that we have intellectual property rights. We have the rule of law. So these things are really helping factories right now decide where they're going to put future factories. Companies are making decisions now. You know, do I put my next plant in China? Do I put my next plant in Mexico? Do I put my next plant in Cleveland? And I think a lot of people are reconsidering where they're going to be putting their plants in light of the slowdown in China, in light of the slowdown in Europe. Our country is poised for good things, I think, in the future. And I think right now we're at an inflection point. And if we make a couple positive changes internally, we're going to attract a lot more business and a lot more factories to our country. We're shipping more now to China than we do to Europe, and I expect that to grow because I think the Chinese economy will continue growing. But Mexico and Canada are definitely our biggest markets.
And Nariman, hopeful close for
if I could add,
yeah, real quick.
If I could add, that fiscal cliff is a big deal. It adds a lot of uncertainty to American business. And at the end of this year, we're going to have almost 20% increase in taxes and takeaway of deductions. This is very troubling to American factories, American entrepreneurs. Okay. Job creators right now are pausing, and we need some clarity. We need Washington to make some decisions in a positive way to improve our future economic climate.
All right. Drew Greenblatt in Baltimore, Nariman Baravesh, thanks so much.
Thank you.